borrowing. Student, you know that tables in first standard and second standard we already learned and recite the tables, correct? So student, today we are going to start new topic, multiplication. This topic is in book. Multiplication. The children made a bunch of flowers to give to Tai on Teacher's Day. Tony, Sonu, Salma, John and Nandu each brought 2 flowers and Sonu tied them together. See the picture. This is a Tony, John, Nandu, Salma and Sonu. All children brought 2 flowers. They all want to give their flowers to the teachers on the occasion of Teacher Day. Sonu tied all flowers together. See here, this is a bunch of flowers. Tai say, lovely, what a big bunch of flowers and so pretty. How many flowers are there in it altogether? See the bunch of flowers. How many flowers in the bunch? Tony say, 2 flowers from each of the 5 of us makes a total of 10 flowers. Means this bunch of flower, the bunch of flowers are 10 flowers. John say, 2 flowers each from 5 of us means taking 2 5 times and adding them together, that is a 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 10. Take 2 5 times and add them, we get total number of flowers, that is a 10. Tai say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is written as 2 multiply 5 equal to 10. 10 is called the product of 2 and 5. Now here are some pictures. Let us count the picture of fruits in them. See the first picture. Sonu say 4 lemons in each row and 2 such rows. Twice 4 is 8 lemons. Twice 4 is taking 4 2 times and adding them. See the picture. There are 4 lemons in one row. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many rows? Count. 1, 2. Here is a 2 rows. Means total number of lemons is equal to 2 multiply 4 equal to 8. See here, in addition form, 4 plus 4 we get 8. As written as 4 multiply 2 we get 8. 8 is product of 2 and 4. See the next picture. Salma say 4 guavas in a row and 3 such rows is 3 times 4, which is a 12. See the picture. There are 4 guavas in one row. 1, 2, 3 and 4 guavas in one row. How many rows? Count. 1, 2, 3. Here is a 3 rows. Means total number of guavas is equal to 3 multiply 4 equal to 12. See here, in addition form, 4 plus 4 plus 4 we get 12. Written as 4 multiply 3 we get 12. 12 is product of 4 and 3. See the next example. Tony say 4 cucumbers in a row and 4 such rows. 4 times 4, so 16 cucumbers. See here, there are 4 cucumbers in one row. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cucumbers in one row. So, how many rows? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a 4 rows. Means total number of cucumber is equal to 4 multiply 4 equal to 16. See here student. As a addition form, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 we get 16. Written as 4 multiply 4 we get 16. 16 is product of 4 and 4. See the next sum. John 4 mangoes in a row and 10 such rows. 10 times 4 or 40 mangoes. See here, there are 4 mangoes in one row. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 mangoes in one row. So, how many rows? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is a 10 rows. Means total number of mangoes is equal to 4 multiply 10 equal to 40 mangoes. See here. First of all, we see addition form. 4 plus 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 4 we get 40. Written as 4 multiply 10 we get 40. Means 40 is product of 4 and 10. So student, I hope all students understood multiplication. On next lecture we will see next topic. Thank you.